What's good? What's good? What's good, my beautiful people? It's your boy Jay. Luxury Hustle Mentorship, the opportunity plug. Hi, you. What's goody? What's good, guys? It's November the what 6th. It's election day where everyone's votes count. So whoever you're voting for, definitely get out and do that today. But shout out, man. Shout out to everyone that's also taking advantage of the 60-day income challenge as well. I want to go through the back office. And forgive me if I pause this video, guys. I got the kids home right now, so I could be kind of in and out, telling them to calm down so daddy can shoot the video. So pretty much here, guys, just wanted to give you a quick disclaimer about that. Now, one thing that I'm loving about this particular system, it is because it's designed for beginners. As I mentioned yesterday in the video, a lot of times when people join online programs, they're joining these flavors of the week. They're joining lotions and potions. So when they're getting in, they don't know exactly what they're doing. They don't know how to market. They don't know where to go. A lot of people don't have funds as far as free marketing methods to do. So it converts to other things like this where we have to go in and show you how to utilize these systems here and how systems work for you and how they're designed. See, in this particular program here, guys, we're actually using a marketing system as the main program. A marketing system here is a tool pretty much that's going to help you brand yourself. And that system is called Builderall. Builderall, guys, is one of the best systems here. It's familiar. You can compare it to another particular sales funnel, but it has the same exact things, plus a little bit more applications that you can use for your social for your particular funnels there. So the marketing system pretty much here, it does literally all of the selling and telling for you guys. So what I'm going to do here, so what I wanted to do was go over to the actual plans of this system. Now, these are just, simple little plans. But if you're planning on taking part of this one, you want to be a part of the Builderall business because you're also an affiliate as well. So if you're taking a part of the 60-day challenge, this is the one that you're definitely going to need here. Now, with this system here, I wanted to share this with you because I wanted to show you some of the things that I was speaking of that you're going to be able to get with this here that some systems, a lot of marketing systems don't offer. Okay, and it's really a no-brainer, guys, when you look into this to see exactly everything that you're getting here as far as your tools and applications, unlimited professional email marketing. So you automatically get a system in there, which is Mailing Boss, webinar and streaming platform, messenger chat box. So for everyone that's familiar with ManyChat, boom, auto post manager tools, affiliate marketplace, leveraged affiliate system, builder all business, connect up to 15 domains, bandwidth and unlimited visitors, third-party integrations. Look, tongue twisted today. Okay, now here's the thing here, the main portion of this. Okay, so a lot of people are like, okay, that's cool, but what are some things that I can do here? So like your unlimited vision, unlimited pages and website, unlimited funnels, e-commerce systems for everyone that's selling things online, guys. More than 1,000 professional templates, mobile first drag and drop builder. You got the scroll animation. I definitely love that. Image gallery, video background, website transfer, complete funnel transfer. I'm just gonna scroll down a little bit on some of that so you guys can see. And I'll have and I'm pretty much here. If you are looking into the funnel, you're going to be able to go to this page and check all this out as well here. So let me show you guys. Excuse me, guys, I got the kids home, so if you hear them in the background just kind of having their own conversations, that's what the kids do. Okay, so let me just kind of keep scrolling here, man, so you can see, just so you can see. Done for you marketing material, and this is one of the best values here. So the checkout with the auto timers is one of the best things I love. And the social proof. The social proof is very cool as well. So when everyone goes to your site, it can say who signed up, who just set up a system. You can have that pop up. So a lot of times people will go out and they'll go out and have all this stuff separate. But with Builderall, you're pretty much getting everything included. See, this whole system that you're looking into is pretty much made with this system here. So that's why you're able to go and just copy this and get your system here. So let me show you here how this will work. Just kind of show you in the back. So they're going to tell you to log into your builder, all free traffic and everything, yada yada yada. So let me go back here. System setup. So the system setup pretty much here. And if you are having issues with your computer, you can't fix it up or set it up, you can actually pay. And they'll set it up for you for $49. But here's, you just copy your link pretty much, guys. Once you copy it and save it, it's going to go to your Builderall, and you just go in and follow the instructions on how they do it. That's how simple it is as far as with these funnels. This whole thing was set up with Builderall, guys. So that's why I love this system here. I'm going to also take you in the back office and show you a capture page that I built with the system as well. Once we're done here, so you can see, what I've set it up before anyone even enters in my system, what they're going to go through and see first, okay? So let me go over to the training here. So that's actually the system that you're going to get. Okay, so that's where you're getting the income stream at, where they're going to pay you some nice commissions, and definitely go through the back office where they break down the compensation plan. You can really go through it all in your time and see that why people are making some real good commissions and getting those multiple payouts that they're receiving there, guys. So definitely it's a blessing to be a part of this system. Alright, so we're going to go over to the traffic sources here. So this is the ways to get your sales here. So a lot of people say, I'm strapped for cash. I don't know. I don't want to buy traffic. This is what we have here. So we're going to have Facebook attracting people from groups. Facebook using profile for traffic. YouTube. Why we use to YouTube. If you're watching this video, it's on YouTube, okay? YouTube keyword research. Video imports. Important, okay? YT video, YouTube creating the video and structure to follow. Okay, so a lot of people word for word showing you how to do it. YouTube ranking factors and algorithm. YouTube thumbnails for videos. YouTube uploading SEO for video. Then there's core traffic. Core is when people are asking questions and you can actually respond and answer those questions back to them. So if they're looking for ways to make money, you can respond back and give them your information and your link. You can have replies, multiple replies. Those are a lot of things that you can definitely do with core, right? And then there's actually paid traffic, okay? Paid traffic is what gets action right away. It gets everything moving so fast and you can scale up. And that's where I come. This is where I literally all started from when I first started building my email list was with solo ads. So solo ads, you're able to, buy traffic from people who have built a list of just marketers or people that are looking to make money online. So they'll take your link, they'll set a nice little campaign up and submit it to their list, and then hopefully people opt in and join your list, and now you can send them business or send them your business information so that way they can join you eventually. So it's a cool way as opposed to chasing family and friends, and we're breaking it down. So pretty much how to profit from the solo ad. So showing that you can be an affiliate with this, so when anyone buys traffic that you bring in, you're going to get a piece of that. So that's a whole nother income stream. Okay, picking your vendor, so how to actually pick the person that you're going to get the solo ad from. If you want to find them on Facebook. I've done this a couple ways. I've done this a couple times. Writing your own ad for solo. So some people write their own. Sometimes the vendor will also have a solo ad as well, where they'll actually write your ad for you. Now this is very cool here. So this is something new that I've just started doing here. Is doing the SMS phone traffic, SMS phone leads. Okay, so I'm able to email broadcast to 200 leads per day, and they have other systems. They have other programs now where you can actually blast up to like 1,000 people a day. That's like $80 a month, where you can definitely do that. You can buy leads. You get your own personal number, and anyone that calls that number, you can have your message set up, and while they're listening to your message, then you can send them an email along with it, guys. I mean, not an email, the actual text message along with it, so that way they're getting everything. Let me turn this down.
There are two primary ways that you're going to be able to win big as a result of you becoming a customer.
Alright, so pretty much here, this is pretty much how it works here. So instant auto text reply. So someone texts your phone and says info, it automatically can text them a message back as long as you have credits. The 24-hour voicemail, guys. The one-click call back for voicemail messages. Promote what you literally can promote whatever you want. Okay. So if you have multiple numbers, you guys are good to go. Let me go get my daughter. Okay. So there's definitely a lot of benefits to this here. Now I wanted to show you guys here because you're able to get paid with this system as well. So not only will you get a commission with Builderall, not only will you get a commission with Udemy when someone purchases solo ads, but when someone also purchases this system, you're going to get a commission as well. So you can collect up to $46.50 in residual income per month just because of this system here, okay? This is something that I literally enjoy with this particular system as well. So you're able to earn a nice commission you're gonna get these bonuses. So they do give you 100 text credits. You can do a custom bridge page. So if you want to connect with your prospects, your leads, warm them up so they can see exactly who you are and who they're joining. That's always a good thing to do. And you see how they break this down here for you, so you can kind of see here. So just this is a good system as well, man. So definitely something you can also use in the arsenal. But over here, I want to show you guys the capture page that I put together for this here. So this is a survey capture page. So before they're checking out the 60-day income challenge, they have to go through the survey here. So this is something that I kind of put together with Builderall that you can use. So, and I'll give you a copy of this if you decide to come in, and if you want this here, I'll definitely give you this here. Just like I said, this is something that I made outside of the 60-day income challenge, but this is a bonus, a little something that I'll offer you when you decide to partner with me as well, because I can do things as far as this system. I've been utilizing Builderall for a very long time. I just decided now to really start promoting heavy with the system. Okay, so let's just say you wanted to make $2,000, right? It's going to take us to the next step. Oh, sorry, I didn't hit the go. Okay, so then it's going to say how many hours you want to work. Next. Do you have a smartphone or a laptop or a computer? Yes. Then boom. Wi-Fi connection. Boom. Enter the information. It's going to say Don. It's going to say get paid with J. I'm going to say click here to start now. Boom. Takes you right to the challenge.
Over $40,000 in commissions.
Over $20,585 in the last 30 days.
$14,512.
So there you have it, people. This is a quick back office overview of this system. Just outside of the training that you're going to get with it, guys. This is a fast start. This is literally something that can help you kickstart your business right away. So I'm gonna wrap this video on up. I want you guys to go ahead and click the link at the bottom. Take advantage of the challenge. Everything is literally laid out for you step by step in the back office for the training, showing you, literally walking you through the system, how to set it up. It's all videos. Everything is videos showing you how to do it, literally. So you got our Facebook group, and it's something that's just kind of taking off, guys. So if you kind of see me promoting it really heavy here, it's because I want to get my edge on it when it comes to YouTube here. So I want to kind of get my link out there going. So definitely take advantage of everything that we're putting out here and that you have access to. This is a system that's going to allow you to make money, something that's going to show you literally how to do it and have something that people need. Remember back in the day when everyone was searching for gold, the people that really made the money was the people that supplied the tools, the shovels, and everything like that. Okay, this is the same thing. We're supplying tools for people to go out here to sell their lotions and potions. We're supplying the tools for people to go out here to sell on their e-commerce business or their Shopify business. Okay, we have these tools in place and people need this type of stuff. Alright, so this is just one of the systems that I do use, but it's something that you can definitely have in your arsenal if you're a real marketer and you're about your money. Alright, so this is your boy Jay, guys. Click that link at the bottom. Hope you have a beautiful and blessed day. I'm out. Peace.